everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Celebrity Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngoKhwezi Ndlovu guys, esimazela kumdlalo ke umkhokha nowathola ke i-replacement emva kokukhulela kwakhe. Firstly guys, let me start by saying congratulations to her. uKhwezi ke ubelethelwa ke amalobolo umnyeni wakhe and the father of their handsome twins. Igama lomnyeni wakhe ke uSibongiseni Mbambo ungwase Pietermaritzburg. Instead of ukuthi ke uKhwezi a celebrate guys, uKhwezi uthole enkulu inzondo ke la einkundleni zokuxhumana starting from uMusa Khawula claiming ukuthi ke uKhwezi wathatha indoda kamngani wakhe wasekhulelwa ke ngokuphazima kwehlo, waveza nokuthi indoda ke le kaKhwezi ke inezingane ezo17 neminyaka u45 while uKhwezi eneminyaka ke ewu31. Akubike kangako guys, 14 years gap ayilutho bakithi. Kuthe kusenjalo guys, waqhamuka abanye bebuza ukuthi ke ngoba uKhwezi indoda yakhe bangamaZulu, why was she wearing the Xhosa outfit? So all this accusation imphoqile ukuthi uKhwezi ukuthi ke uKhwezi acacise her side of story wesebhala ke the statement wathi Magenge Ami, ngicela ukuqala with expressing my heartfelt gratitude for all the love and well wishes that have poured in since my intimate lobola celebration this past weekend with my family and best friend. This new chapter has already been so joyful and meaningful, and I'm truly blessed to be surrounded by such incredible support. For those who may not know, I am proudly half Xhosa, and honoring my mother's lineage was an important part of this beautiful journey. Embracing my cultural roots has always been significant to me. So as our wedding preparation continue, I look forward to share more of the vibrant and diverse traditions that makes up my lineage. So guys, I think ke labeka address ke laba bebebuza ukuthi ke uhlangana phi ke nesixhosa. So ke uthuma wakhe ke ungumxhosa, so that is why kade ke egqoke ke impahla ke zamaxhosa. Wayethi ke for clarity, my husband to be is not married and has not been married before. Our respective families and our children are also excited about our journey as it is our first for both families. We are both grateful for the strong foundation of love and unity that our families are building alongside us. We look forward to the continued growth of our family. I would also like to clear up some rumors. I have never snatched a man from any of my friends. Tina Mbambo is my best friend and she is happily married to her own husband. My husband and Tina's husband are brothers, which makes this moment even more special for us as close friends. It's unfortunate that there are those who spread false narratives, but I urge everyone not to be drawn into misinformation rooted in selfish motives. Let's keep the energy positive and focus on the love and joy. Thank you all once more for being part of this chapter in my life. This journey is a statement to God's grace, and look forward sharing more of our story with you. With love and gratitude, Khwezi Ndlovu Mbambo. So guys, yeah, that is the story, and yeah guys, but let's just celebrate with them. And njalo mangamuntu fire a celebrate qhamuka lo asho lokho, let's just let them celebrate their special day guys. But anyway, from my side and my viewers, we wish her all the best in this new journey ke aseyithathile. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.